children, our chapter is electric current and its effects. Let's do a recap on electric current and its effects. What is a electric component? It can be an element of an electric circuit that helps its functioning. That is electric component. Symbol for different electric components, different symbols are there. What is a battery? It is a combination of two or more cells. The battery can be used in several devices such as toys, remote control, torches, and transistors. Open circuit. See, when the key is switched off, then it is said to be an open circuit. That is the incomplete circuit. Closed circuit is complete circuit. When the key is switched on or we are closing the circuit, that is closed circuit. Heating effect of electric current. When an electric current passes through a wire, the wire gets heated up. This is known as heating effect of electric current. See, many appliances works on the heating effect of electric current, such as geysers, electric stove, coffee maker, toaster, hair dryer. Heating element. See, all the equipments produce some high amount of heat when electricity passes through them. So this amount of heat depends upon the requirements of the device. So it contains a coil of wire which is known as element. Efficiency of electrical appliances. When electrical energy is partly converted into heat energy, it leads to some wastage of energy in machines and appliances where the heat is not utilized. Energy rating. See, in almost all the electrical appliances, stars are there. It indicates the efficiency of the appliances. More the number of stars, less is the wastage of electrical energy. Household devices. See, in our household, we are using some safety devices to protect us. That is the electric fuse or MCB. MCB is nothing but miniature circuit breaker. Electric fuse. It is a safety device we are using in the electric circuits to protect when a high amount of electricity is passed through the circuit. So it prevents us from fire and also in short circuits. How can excessive current pass through the circuit? See, sometimes if you are using different devices in the same socket, which results in drawing off more current from the socket. As a result, the load on the circuit increases and it can lead to a short circuit or fire. When the insulation of wire gets torn away, the wire can come in contact with each other, which causes a spark or may lead to a short circuit. MCB, miniature circuit breaker. We are using instead of fuse. A fuse breaks due to excessive current so that circuit opens up and the damage can be prevented. So it cannot be used again on that, but the MCB is a switch which turns off automatically on its own when a circuit overloads. Once a problem is rectified, we can switch on the MCB once again. CFL, compact fluorescent lamp. CFLs don't work on the principle of heating effect of electric current because they don't have a filament inside it. They contain two electrodes that produces light. ISI mark, Indian Standards Institute, which standardizes all appliances. See, if any electrical appliances does not have an ISI mark over it, so that appliances does not conform to the standard guidelines provided by the ISI. So it is not safe to use. So when you are thinking to buy some electrical appliances, prefer whether it is having ISI mark on it. Then only it will not lead to you wastage of electricity. Magnetic effect of electric current. When an electric current is passed through a wire, it behaves like a magnet. This is called magnetic effect of electric current. This one was discovered by a scientist named Hans Christian Ørsted. Electromagnet. See, a magnet whose magnetic field is generated with the help of electric current, that is called as electromagnet. The electromagnet is formed because of the magnetic effect of electric current. Applications of electromagnets. See, they are used in toys and also in many telecommunication equipments and then in domestic appliances such as electric bells. Electric bell. See, a coil of wire wound over an iron piece that forms the electromagnet. A battery which connects the wire coil and the contact screw. a switch in the middle of the circuit, an iron strip which has a hammer attached to it, which is joined to the wire coil. So when the switch of the bell is on, the electric current flows through the coil of the wire, which makes the iron piece attached to it acts as an electromagnet. As a result, this iron piece attracts the hammer towards itself. The hammer thus hits the bell and a sound is produced. As the hammer moves towards the iron piece, it moves away from the contact screw, so which breaks down the circuit. So what happened this time? It will not receive any current. So the electromagnet loses its magnetic effect. The hammer goes back to its position. So this process continues whenever we are switching on the circuit. Answer the following. Draw the symbols to represent the following components of electric circuits: connecting wire, switch in the off position, switch in the on position, cell and battery. Project is make a PowerPoint presentation, that is PPT, on Know the Scientist Thomas Alva Edison and his inventions.